To begin this journey, we start with e-mobility. Kenyan-based electric mobility pioneer Rome has partnered with Mogo, an asset financier in East Africa, advancing the adoption of electric motorcycles in Africa. The partnership is aimed at empowering individuals to transition to electric motorcycles through a financing package that enables boda riders to increase their daily earnings by 30%. Rome to scale quicker, accelerating the adoption of electric motorcycles to a broader market.
The partnership between Mogo and Rome is beneficial to boda riders by providing cheaper to operate vehicle to the boda community, and also compared to ICE bikes, the loan terms are much more favorable. So at the end of the day, we see that the riders earn approximately 30% more driving an electric vehicle compared to fuel bike. So on average, electric bikes are more expensive than fuel bikes, but that is easily offset by cheaper financing as well as lower operations costs. Let's say compared to fuel bike, per kilometer, the electricity cost will be lower. So at the end of the day, the total cost of ownership is lower.
The partnership is beneficial because we have designed and produced, manufactured, locally assembled bike, electric motorcycle that is cost efficient, therefore enhancing the lifestyle of the boda rider, supporting them in terms of savings by 30% from day one, and of course, availability of the flexible financial options.
Now let's take an electric boda all the way to the coast. Let's talk tourism. The Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife